Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Looking for the perfect winter coat for your little baby? In this video, we feature a range of cute and cozy winter coat design ideas for baby boys that are both stylish and practical. We have ideas to keep your baby warm and fashionable all season long. Explore a variety of colors, patterns, and fun details that will make your baby boy's winter wardrobe both functional and stylish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby fashion tips and ideas.